Hey everyone, Bryce here. Welcome to tour stop number 4. We are here on the San Francisco Peninsula. Right now we're in Burlingame, but we're actually headed down to San Carlos right now to speak with one of the region's most environmentally friendly landscaping supply companies. They're both B2B as well as consumer based, and they're wanting to learn how to really showcase how green they really are. Then we're headed up to San Mateo to speak with Jason at Max Muscle San Mateo. He is off the charts awesome when it comes to marketing, and we want to learn the secret to his success. So stay tuned. We have all sorts of great tips. Come with us. Let's go.
I've been on a long road.
Okay everyone, we are in San Carlos, California. We are on tour stop number 4. This is the San Francisco Peninsula, and we're super fortunate to be here. We're in a different environment today. We're at Lyngso Garden Materials, and we're standing here with Can Parthabom. And we are super fortunate to be here because you are an official, fully fledged, fully certified green business. You're part of the Bay Area Green Business Network, which you have to do some things to get there, to have that certification. So if you can, tell us maybe a little bit about your company that you work for, but also kind of background as to what goes into being a green business in the Bay Area. I'm sure there's some challenges to make that happen.
Yeah, absolutely. This is Lyngso Garden Materials. It's founded by John and Mary Lyngso a very long time ago in the 50s. For us to be a green certified business was very easy because we are very conscious about our water usage, energy usage, and even most importantly, where our products come from. So we do a lot of environmental reclamation work, make sure that the products that we're getting are truly sustainable and organic. So it's a collective effort on everybody's part.
So one thing we talked about is how to get the word out a little bit more about how green you are. Even by doing one video that really speaks to all that you guys do and being able to repurpose that video, wherever your contract is with your advertisements, with your strategic partners. They have a huge roster of weekend events every single weekend. They have these amazing how-to
free clinics to the public, and the main goal is to really get the education out there.
Yeah. So they have some pretty high caliber folks come in to teach these classes. So I'm thinking like if you could just have some of those people share those videos that you're producing. Maybe it's more than one. Maybe it's like each segment of your product portfolio and the services that you provide. Even having like signage on some of your products, like maybe until there's a green Yelp, maybe you have your version of like, this is a 5-star green product. Here's the backstory on where this came from in the world. Just make it super easy for them to understand everything here is green, and here's the backstory.
Yeah.
That kind of goes into it.
And one of the real challenges is really letting our customers and our community really know that this is not greenwashing, where a lot of businesses do greenwash their products, but it's really cradle to cradle, not really cradle to grave practices, right?
Yeah.
So we have like this life cycle analysis of each individual products that we carry, and it'd be great to, get the word out to the masses. However, we did think about doing a webinar or a video blog, or so that's a great suggestion. So that's
you can easily, since you're already doing the classes, videotape them, then just simply edit them and put that out to your network of strategic partners, advertisements, your library of DIY stuff that you have on your website.
Absolutely.
If you can repurpose what you're already doing, this makes your life simple. Okay everyone, we have had a fabulous time here at Lyngso here in San Carlos, and we are now off to San Mateo to meet with Max Muscle San Mateo and Jason, who heads up the program there. So let's go.
party people?
Hey.
You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Nix, I'm gonna help my, oh, you got my pregame ready? Alright. Bryce, my man.
Let's do it.
How are you?
Hey, man.
Good to
Doing
see
awesome.
you. Excellent.
Man, we are so lucky to be here. This is Jason Mael. He is the owner of Max Muscle San Mateo. And we are here because he does such a phenomenal job with video and overall marketing, not just social media, strategic partnerships and everything else. So what we want to find out from Jason today is what are his top best practices that makes it all happen, makes people come through the door. We want to find out the magic recipe.
The magic? Let's start with, I don't have an exact magic recipe, but what I can certainly tell you is, I mean, if you love what you're doing, and if you like to do video and actually have a platform to do it at, I just find the opportunity to put them together. With a little, practice with a little video editing, I think anybody in any business or for any hobby can do even better than what I do. I chose a platform which is Instagram, and I can do a hybrid of Facebook. But if you can stick with one thing and one thing only, like 15 seconds for a story, for example, if you guys aren't familiar with Instagram, you got 15 seconds to do whatever you want. It's all about the story with a punchline. So with supplements, it really brings down the niche of my demographics on what I want to target my stories with. A lot of now that I've been doing this for a while, the customers that kind of follow Instagram or my social media, they're a little bit more like, you know what, I know what you can do. So I know it seems awkward right now, but I know the magic that you were mentioning, what you do will actually come out phenomenal to them, in their opinion. I had my opportunity breakthrough when my friend actually across the street, he's like, you know what, I follow you, I saw that was fantastic. Here's gift cards, why don't you raffle these off? And I'm like, okay. I'm very grateful and appreciative. If anybody gives me anything, I'm going to offer that as part of my raffle. Although I have a fitness and kind of industry type, we all gotta eat.
You gotta watch this live raffle that he does. Phenomenal. Every Saturday at 7:30. Right?
7:30. So my wife and I started #1 January, the first Saturday after January, and it started at home. It wasn't live. It was just kind of like, do it at your home. Your traditional pick a ticket, post on Instagram, tag 3 people, like it, yada yada. That's the game changer that I had right there. So after that, okay, people are gonna obviously start doing live raffles. So what can you do that's gonna be even better than that? So small steps just to kind of introduce themes. So a theme could be anything what's trending. It could be, for example, if it's July 4th, if it's a holiday, if it's, kick off the World Cup soccer, which I did. I did the NBA championships, the birthday, whatever is trending within the week or in the month, you just kind of like think about what can you do to make it different than just every week pick a raffle out of a bowl, winner, which is good, but it's not going to get me to come every week. I do want people to see if they want, but I want people to be entertained. So it keeps them coming back.
Jason, I have something pretty cool here. This is for the month of July, Max Muscle San Mateo. Jason, this is the digital badge that he can put wherever he wants to put it. But basically, he is the winner for July. He has impressed the hell out of me. You guys need to really watch his stuff. He takes things to a whole nother level.
Whoa!
So, whoop!
Hey, I want the large trophy.
Yeah, exactly. So congrats, man.
Hey, it's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for having me. I appreciate this award that I have.
Yeah.
And I will definitely make use of this. Hopefully we can all partner up and collaborate with more future marketing cool stuff. And this is just only the first in the beginning.
Excellent.
Thank you, Bryce.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Man, seeing those stories that Jason puts together, just incredible. Hopefully some folks get their motivation from seeing what he does. Maybe it'd be cool sometime to be in one of his videos.
What's up, Jason?
Hey, Bryce, how are you?
Good, man.
Doing all right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, what can I help you out with?
Doing good. I'm doing a big mountain bike ride from Half Moon Bay to Santa Cruz. I gotta get pumped up. Help me.
I got what you need. Hold that thought.
What is that?
Bryce, I want you to touch it.
Ew. I'm ready to go. Thanks, man.
Ah, you're not quite done yet, Bryce. Hold on. Bryce, touch it.
Dude, all I did was touch it. What's this?
Bryce, I want you to sample it.
Dude, what is this? Whole nother level. Jay, take my money.
Bryce. Not a big deal. Let's say $99. Another satisfied customer.
Okay, everyone, we had a fantastic tour stop here on the San Francisco Peninsula. Went through San Carlos, we went to San Mateo, and all over today. So we are really looking forward to our next one. We're going to be hitting up Salinas. I've actually worked there for quite a few years and can't wait to get back to my old stomping ground. So stay tuned, use some of those tips we got today, and we'll see you soon.
I've been on a long road with the devil right beside me.